This is the magnetic pickup pieces out of a Ford Duraspark distributor. So this is normally a magnetic pickup. However, I removed the magnet which went in those holes. However, the angle is wrong to put this on the flywheel of the twin Briggs and Stratton engines. So I'm going to cut that, reverse, and weld it. It's actually a piece that's taken off one of these Ford small block Duraspark distributors. So basically like this. What I want to do is modify it. The magnetic part of the flywheel is holding this in place. But that's kind of what I want to do, like that. So if I weld these pieces here and then I make them out with long bolts, it should be able to work. That's how it's welded up to be reshaped. That's how that's going to mount over here. So it should soon be done. Okay, we're just about finished with the pickup, the coil pickup on the magnetic flywheel. Got the carb bolted on, but we need to do some linkage. And need to get the magnetic pickup, non-magnetic pickup in place. Starter's on, not sure how good that is. I need to put that coil on. But the choke is attached. And that's working, the choke. And here's what the ultimate outcome is. So it clears the flywheel properly with the proper gap as it goes by the magnet right there. And so these will hook up to the General Motors HEI 70s style HEI ignition module, and then to the 4-cylinder GM coil, which fires 2 plugs at once. It's basically the same system that's been proven on this engine, which is the same sort of engine. And there's the HEI ignition, and there's that coil there that fires both over there, as you can see right there. And they go to the plugs. I need to make up some plug wires now. This particular engine is opposed. The pistons are exactly opposed, so each crank turn fires, and that means it fires, since the camshaft turns at half the speed, that means that it fires on the exhaust stroke as well, but that doesn't matter because there's nothing there. No fuel or pressure. So it's called a wasted spark system, but it's not really wasted. It just doesn't have any effect. Anyhow, it looks like that's pretty well adapted.